Synesthesia is a neurological condition that causes areas of the brain that are responsible for processing sound or responsible for processing color. They can be connected, so when you hear a musical note, you can also see a color in your mind's eye.
For as long as I can really remember, every time I've heard music, I've seen colour. And this colour represents itself like paint splashes. I feel like an artist. I have to blend these paint splashes and create the overall painting that I'm trying to achieve.
Synesthesia is a relatively rare condition. You don't get to meet synesthetes that often, let alone make music with them. So when I heard about this project from the NEXA guys, I was really excited.
We're going to be working on a completely unique project. We've taken 3 synesthetic musicians. We're going to show them the colour NEXA Blue, get them to say what notes or harmonies or chords that colour represents in their minds, and then have a composer write a piece based just on that, and then we come out with the sound of NEXA Blue.
Yeah, I think this colour, when I see it, is definitely an F sharp.
Well, let me try.
Litsa felt that it was an F sharp. Eduardo came up with E, G sharp and B, but I then just had to be awkward and throw a B flat into the mix. So that's actually a combination of notes you wouldn't normally expect to see. It's really interesting to see what a composer can do with those.
This is what I've come up with for Samara, which is something like a pizzicato cello piece. I think it's an extremely challenging brief because I just got about 5 notes to play with, and to create a melody which is big with just 5 notes is extremely challenging. I think it's a very, very innovative way of interpreting this color NEXA Blue. As far as I know, I don't think anybody has done this before, so it's going to be great fun.
So at the end of the day, it didn't matter that we all had different notes, because it was about the creative collaboration between the 3 of us that helped to craft this canvas that helps to represent NEXA Blue.